Yes, online team. Yeah. So what happens here during this testing, client himself, he will come to the company and sit ideally with test engineers and they will do this testing in two environments. One is testing or development environment where actually the test engineer have been tested that application. Second environment is nothing but pre-production. Pre-production means that is equivalent to production. Okay. So how end users will use the application, in that way they will use application and try to find the defects in it. So first one is alpha testing, second one is beta testing. Alpha in the sense what? They will do the testing in which environment? Testing environment or company environment. But what is meant by beta testing? Exactly. So they will look here. What they will do, they will ask difference between alpha and beta. Difference between alpha and beta. Now look here. Uh, Fine. See, I am going to share you the PDF. Is it visible to you? Is it visible to you? Yeah, good. Okay, fine. No issue. Now look here. Uh, Put the heading difference between alpha and beta testing. Have you written what is meant by alpha and beta? No. So, right, alpha testing means what? Alpha testing is done by the user or customer in development or testing environment, means they will come back to the company. Who will come back to the company? Client or customer. They will come back to the company. Then what they'll do? They will test application in which environment? Testing or development environment. Okay. Then beta testing. What is beta? Yes. So they will do the same testing in customer environment. Okay. Or it is also called as pre-production. Make it fast. So this is what the end of your SDLC. Once this UAT is done, finally we'll be having what? Production. But before production, we should have to discuss STLC. STLC is documentation process. जोसु वाली आँखियाँ तड़कियाँ मुझको. Yes, you can write note also, ma. Next, difference between alpha and beta testing. So, right. Yeah, write it. No, I'm not taking anything. Everything is with you. Notes are there. Simply I'm writing there. Done. See, under alpha testing, that's only I want to tell. Under alpha, if anything, if process is not matching, or sometimes if you got real defects or real bugs, then what happens? That things we should have to immediately resolve it. But during beta, whatever is happening, that we can resolve for the next upcoming build. It means the activities which are there, no, that cannot be controlled here. But in this case, we should have to control. See, where is the writing option? I'm not getting here. Con- Okay, fine, no issue. Now look here. See, so till now, whatever we have discussed, this comes under what? SDLC process. Tell me, what are the points we have discussed till now? Yes. Ah, okay. Under SDLC, what are the points we have discussed? Tell me. One second, guys. Give me 2 minutes. No issue. So, guys, till now, whatever we have discussed, that comes under SDLC process. Which process? See, now onwards, whatever I am going to discuss, that is nothing but STLC process. But first you should know what is difference between, okay, what is difference between white box testing, black box testing, and as I told you, white box testing is done by whom? See, see, first here they have written black box, but first you should have to write what? White box. See, the internal structure is completely known. It means code is visible to end users. What is the meaning of this one? Code is visible. I'm talking about code, not source code. See, okay, code is visible to, then what about gray box testing? Yes. Gray box tester in the sense what? The internal structure, it means they will be having knowledge about coding as well as testing. I told you what is the purpose of gray box testers? See, the purpose of gray box testing is to improve the quality of the product for which it covers both functional and non-functional testings all together, which saves time and lengthy processes to test the application. Another purpose is to have application tested from users' perspective rather than designers' opinion. Okay, examples also. Okay, now we do you want to write it? Write for me the difference between white box, black box, gray box. First write white box, then black box, then gray box. Okay. Ravi, I am not talking. How you will get my voice? Second one. See, it is also called as, see, first one, white box testing is called as, see, it is also called as glass box, clear box, or structural or code level testing. Code based code level testing. What is meant by black box testing? It is called as closed box testing, or it is also called as functional testing and data driven testing. Because look here, in this case, the case of black box testing, we are doing testing on the basis of functionality. Code is not visible to you, but in case of white box testing, code is visible for everyone. Code is visible for everyone. Yeah. Now check once. Now check once. So here code is visible for everyone. So that white box, see, here they have given example of glass. Glass is what? Transparent. Yes, it is also called as transparent testing. Then close box, nothing will visible. Okay. It is called as gray box testing. Next, it is done by whom? White box testing. Sometimes developers, but it is done only by testers. Don't write developers here. So many errors are there here. See, black box testing, only testers are responsible. Don't write this. Don't write developer. Write only 3 to 4 points. Don't write all points. Done. Everyone is done with this one. कौन सा? हाँ, टेस्टर्स ही करते हैं. हाँ, वो ग्रे बॉक्स में आता है. Done. Yeah, that's only I told you, no. Black box is only done by testers. Don't write these developers and what they have written. Tester, yeah. Oh, tester has nothing to do with internal working of the system. Yes, they will do the testing on functionality. Same point they have written here. Developer don't have any knowledge about functionality. They will be having knowledge only about code. And here Greybox tester is having knowledge of internal code as well as functionality. Here, right, developer doesn't have any knowledge about functionality. Okay, look here. See, so the before going to start SDLC, we should have to discuss some interview questions on SDLC. See, what are the interview questions they might ask in interview till here, whatever is done. Okay. So one by one, I'll tell you, write only question. Okay. I will give you time for writing the answers, not today. Tomorrow there is no class. So tomorrow, even day after tomorrow, you should have to write answers for all the questions. Okay. Look here. Hmm. Yes, it is there. Who is that guy? Wait. Sunday, as usual, we don't have a class. Saturday, we don't have a class. That I'm saying you. Right there. Interview questions. Interview questions. Question number one. No, wait. Wait, guys. Wait for 5 minutes. I will install. This is not working here. I want to write questions here, but it's not working, no. We'll do the installation. Wait for 5 minutes. Don't talk. So which recording video was not uploaded online team? Yesterday's. Which one? 7th or 8th? 7th. On 7th, what I taught you? Is it? Yesterday only, no? Day before yesterday. Now let me check whether this is working or not. Trans- Where? Under gray box testing is there, no? Leave it. Why it is not writing? Amma? No need to call them again and again. Okay, fine. No issue. I'll type here. To-do-do. Tell me, what is question number 1? What is mean by software? Yeah, what you know about software? Second question. What are the different layers in software? Next. Huh? Yes. Third one is, what is testing? I'm asking you, not software testing. Fourth one is, what is software testing? Why testing is necessary? Why it is necessary? Yes. No, 6th August is uploaded. No. Issue is only with 7th August. 6th August it is uploaded. Why testing is necessary? To deliver the quality product to the customers. Do you know the answers or can I write? Yes. Good. You will write Paka. First I will finish SDLC questions, then STLC questions, and finally what happened? It is clear only now. Guys, now my voice is clear now. Hello. Yes. कौन क्या कॉल? Next, sixth one is what are different types of softwares? What are the different types of softwares are there? Yes. Then next one. What is SDLC process? Next. What are SDLC models? Tell me what are SDLC models, guys? Again. See here, waterfall model, spiral prototype that we haven't taken, that comes under sequential, and agile, whatever we have discussed now, that is incremental approach. Hence, agile is called as iterative and incremental approach. So what is the beauty of agile? It is very fast. Again, sprint wise delivery is possible. Is there anything? Customer? It is value driven methodology. We can accept customer requirements at any stage without taking even single rupee. So SDLC models means you should have to write all fish, V model, waterfall, everything. Next. What is fish model? Tell me what is fish model? Any idea? Tell me what is the difference between verification and validation. Next, anything else? No, that we'll discuss. Wait. Difference between verification and validation. Same question they might ask, difference between quality assurance and quality control. Next. Difference, same question they might ask you, I told you, between static testing and testing. Next. Anything else? Difference between error, comma, defect, comma, bug, comma, failure. What is meant by error? What is meant by error? Mistake done during the coding. Done by whom? Developer is called as error. The same mistake if we can. If you found any unexpected or mismatch between actual and expected result, then it is called as defect. When it becomes bug, if developer accept the defect as a valid, then it is bug. What is failure then? Yes. Failure means whenever final product is given to the client or end users, then what the end users will do? They will use the application or they will use the product. So while using the application or software or product, if end user faces any issues, then it is called as failure. Good. For freshers, they might ask this question mandatorily. Next, what is which is the base model for other all SDLC models? Yes, waterfall model, correct only. After that, what is waterfall model? What is waterfall model? Next, what is next? No. What are the advantages of waterfall model? WM means, tell me what are the advantages? It is completed, Harika. Today it is completed. STLC, it will take near about 8 to 10 days. Then we'll enter into Java. Tell me, what are the advantages of waterfall model? Yes. Yeah, it is easy to understand again. Next. Again. Yes. What is next? Where we can apply this? Wherever the requirements are fixed and less. I have given even example also. What was the example? When we will start manual testing, once all the test cases are covered. Does 100% manual testing is possible? No. Still we are trying to meet 100% criteria. So that is called as maximum test coverage. How we can fulfill maximum test coverage? By writing more number of test cases. By writing more number of test cases. Good. What are the drawbacks of waterfall model? Yes. Okay. First thing, in between changes are not allowed. Second one, revert back. Revert back is not possible. In between changes are not allowed in the sense what? Revert back. Lenny Maji. What I am asking here, in between changes are not allowed in the sense what? Which changes? What changes? If customer want to add any new requirements, that requirements cannot be accepted by either development or testing team. So it is called as in between changes are not allowed. Again, I'm telling you, don't focus more on any other SDLC models except agile methodology. I taught you agile from the scratch till ceremonies, even advantages, disadvantages. So simply go through it. Understand the agile culture because nowadays everyone is using which model? Agile model. Don't run behind fish model, waterfall model, V model, prototype, spiral. Okay. Next. Next. What is V model? Tell me. Actually, it is VV model. What is this model? Tell me. Verification and validation. Means what? Verification and validation in the sense. Here, verification and validation, both the things are done at a time. So can I say simultaneously? Yes, we have discussed this. Then we will be having question number 19. What is that? What is what is the meaning of word agile? Tell me what is the meaning of the word agile? Quick and fast. Good. Now, what is agile methodology? Tell me. What is agile methodology? Means what? Agile methodology means what? It is iterative and incremental. Iterative in the sense whenever one sprint is done, that can be delivered. So first iteration. Entire project is divided into how many scripts? Like how many sprints? Multiple sprints. For example, one project is there. So they will make pieces of the project. So individual piece is called as sprint. So whenever one sprint is done, one sprint requires near about 2 to 4 requirements. So whenever one sprint is done, then build is directly delivered to whom? Clients. Same way, second build is complete, second sprint is completed, given. See guys, where like in waterfall model, in other models, the word build is there. No, same build is nothing but here sprint. But the duration of sprint is 2 to 4 weeks. 2 to 4 weeks. Even we have discussed what is meant by sprint. What is meant by sprint? The time which is taken by the development and testing team to complete how many requirements? Read the notes. Everything is done. Still, you guys are not opening the notes. Have you seen at least one time? Have you seen at least one time? Yes? No. Have you seen the notes? How many times? You only. Kitna bar? Yes, how many times? Rajkumar. Everyone is Rajkumar. Yes. Huh? Only once. Oh, unfortunately, that too. Practicing by looking towards whom? Notes or notes? Pakka. Fine. See, what is agile methodology then? Iterative incremental model. Then what are the different, this is very important question, different ceremonies? Yes, or it is also called as meetings in agile. How many meetings are there? Is there anyone, sir? I will explain all the meetings. How many peoples are there? What is the time duration? What is agenda? Online team? Yes, user story. Time taken by the team to complete one story. What is story point? What is story point? Time you know very well because 30 minutes is same for all meetings. No, easy factor. Tell me what is agenda? What is agenda of grooming session? How many meetings are there? Oh, if you are not studying, no use of class. First one is what? Grooming session. What is this grooming session? Tell me. Think over it. What is grooming session? I told you whenever SRSs or stories are provided to both the teams, if they are not understanding properly, they will write what? Requirement, clarification, note. So by looking towards that requirement clarification note, what they will do? Yes. Yeah, BA, product owner will guide them regarding stories, regarding requirements. In which meeting? No, Scrum call is second one. Next, we'll be having what? After this, we'll be having Scrum call. So sprint planning. What is meant by sprint? Yes. What is the sprint planning meeting? I told you sprint planning meeting is nothing but estimation process. 3 factors they will decide. What are that factors? Knowledge. What is meant by knowledge? Each and every person should have proper knowledge about sprint. Next, what is the second? Complexity means what? How much the project is complex. What is meant by efforts? How many efforts we should have to take to complete the project or sprint. Good. Third one. What is third one? Stand up call or scrum call or scrum meeting or daily stand up meeting. Okay. Next. What is daily stand up meeting? Tell me. Who is the chairperson of daily stand up meeting? Team leader. Scrum master is the chairperson of that daily stand up meeting or scrum call. How many questions I told you he might ask? What are that? Online team, no one is answering. Yes, 3. What are the questions? Good. What is time duration? What is the purpose of this meeting? to check the daily status of project. Next, sprint review Tell me, what is a sprint review meeting? Each and every employee will give their review about the sprint. What is a sprint retrospective meeting? Perspective meeting. So what is a sprint retrospective meeting? What is the purpose of that one? To discuss. मीटिंग लीव मत हो सर एंड एंड ही किया ना एंड Okay, good. So, yeah, what are the good and bad things? Very good. So these are very important. Next question. What are advantages of Agile? What are advantages and disadvantages? Okay, next. Tell me, what are the different types of functional testings, which is very, very, very important. What are different types of write the questions. I will not send. Write it in your notes. I'll check your notes also. Because you should have to write answers tomorrow and day after tomorrow. 2 days time is there. I need all the answers. See, what are the different types of functional testings and explain them in detail. See, or else simply you can like what are the types of functional testings. Now we'll discuss in detail here one by one. Tell me, what is smoke testing and what is difference in between them? So define smoke, and sanity, and difference between them. Okay. Next, anything else? What is that? Huh? Good. Next one is define positive and negative testing and difference between them. First, tell me, what is smoke testing? Huh? Not getting. Yes, build verification testing. Again, what is sanity? It is subset of regression. So define retesting and retesting and regression testing. And difference between them. 27. Define what? What we should have to define? Ad hoc testing with types. Yeah, database also there. Then what are the different types of non-functional testings? So first we'll discuss what is a database testing. 29 is what are non-functional testings? What are non-functional testings? Explain non-functional testings. In detail. Tell me, what are the non-functional testings? First one is, what is first non-functional testing we have discussed? Graphical user interface. What is meant by GUI? Graphical user interface. What we can check under this? Again, second one is usability testing. Means what? Whether the software is user friendly, means easy to operate or easy to handle. Okay. Next. So we'll check even context sensitive help under this. Next one is compatibility. Whether our software is compatible with. Yes. What are the different types of compatibility testing? What are the different types? Software and hardware. Then which testing comes into picture? What is security testing? Securable or not? How many types are there? First one is authentication. Second one is authorization, access level or limitations. Third one is encryption, whether the password kind of things are encrypted or. See, I forgot one testing under non-functional. Actually, that is not there in our PDF. Now we'll discuss what is globalization testing. What is meant by globalization testing? Whether our software is supporting for global languages or not. What we can check? Whether our software is supporting to global languages or not is called as, what we called it as, globalization testing. Okay, no problem, sir. Means what? For example, there is one software. There is one. I'll tell you one example. Forget about software. Aam ka achar. You know achar? Aam ka achar is there. See, that brand is, see, they have written Aam ka achar in Hindi language. So that brand will sell only in UP, Maharashtra, Gujarat, in few states or Delhi. If you want to sell that particular product in Telangana, in which language I should have to write? Aam ka achar. In Telugu, we should have to write. If I write in English, then what happens? Globally, that will be delivered. Understanding me? It means globalization means localization means the software is supporting for local languages or not. For example, Maharashtrian Marathi, Telangana people's Telugu, like that. Okay. So here, okay, sir, you are telling about system like software should support all the languages. For example, software is there in English language, but I am a tester. I want to convert into Malayalam. I don't know Malayalam. Then how I can convert English to Malayalam? We'll use one tool here called as Google Translator. Which tool? Any problem? Any problem? No. Yes. Fine. So these many questions, even we should have to discuss about UAT. What is UAT? Difference between very good. Alpha and any problem? Telangana. We Excel will not support for all languages, no? No, Appa. That's only I'm telling you. Will not support for all languages. U beta. What is U beta? It is tool, huh? Yes. Jagadeshwari. Beta you want to write, Fine, no issue. So what is my, see, I have so many expectations. Expectation ante you should have to write the answers for all these questions. If I check your notebook, if the answers are not there in your notebook, I will insult you in such a way that then you will not come to class again. Samjhe? Yes. Fine. So, chalo, thank you. Do it. And maybe tomorrow we don't have class. I will update in the group. Okay. Localization means software is supported